What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So today I'm going to vote. Yes, I'm going to vote today. Just let me take out my polling card. Here's my voting polling card. I'm going to vote for number one. He's independent Canada. He's for China. He's a pro China. Rest of the Canada are like, I don't like them. I mean, they have nothing to say. So the Mr. Dick Nick is a pro-China. I mean, he understands the situation of ethnic minority in Hong Kong. He will be a very good, I mean, candidate. I mean, to be honest with you, I hope he win. To be honest with you, I'm really very much excited. I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna vote. As you can see, there are so many banners beside me. I have to go this way. This way to the polling station. Yeah, going there right now. I think it's located in the Sing Market. The polling station is located in Sing Market. I mean, yeah, so just going there, and I'm literally excited. So there are like five candidates. I mean, I just like the one. I mean, because the first one, the number one, because firstly he do not have any of his marketing material here. You can see the number five and number three. They spend a lot of money on marketing. Again, this is politics. This is politics. I mean, a lot of people are going for the thing which they are going to see more and more. But I understand. Number one, we do not have the budget to market, but he's an honest man, Mr. Dick. I mean, Dick is an honest man. NG, he's an honest man. He will be very helpful. I mean, for this area as a legislator counselor. I'm having a tongue tie problem in the morning, yeah. So let's go. And then this is the West Kowloon Court, and then the Sing Market located just behind. As you can see, this is the West Kowloon Court, I mean, and this is the, I think this is Yunghua College. Let me show you the Sing Market. The voting starts at 7:30 a.m. Yeah, but if you're going to vote, you need to register, and you need to be a citizen of Hong Kong. As you know, I'm a citizen of Hong Kong. As you can see, where we have to go. This is the biggest court in Hong Kong, West Kowloon Court. This is newly built, to be honest with you. So yeah, so that is Sing Market. Can you see Sing Market? Yeah. Let me see where we have to go. This is a Chinese college. Okay, this is a Yunghua Primary School. This is a Yunghua College also, but this is entirely in Chinese. Sing Market is an international school which is taught in English. Not here. We have to go to. We have to go there. Are you ready? Cast my vote. Just quite easy. They just give me a paper, a stamp. I stamp in. Throw the paper in the ballot box. Simple as that. Now going home. Yeah. Finish. To be honest with you. Again, vote for the right person. I find that this person is the right person. Yeah, because he's pro-China. Most of Hong Kong politicians are not that pro-China. If I find someone pro-China which understand that Hong Kong is a China city, Hong Kong belongs to China entirely, and then at least there can be like more benefit to ethnic minority. I hope so. Let's see. So yeah, it was me, Umair. Subscribe and bye.
إلهي لست للفردوس أعلى ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي